For example, this is a mask, mold mask, okay? They make here the clay and press down the machine. And the mask is ready for paint.
¿Y cómo hacen esto?
Eso lo hacen moldeando en los tornos. Empiezan por
¿Y
la
la
base.
parte de adentro? ¿Cómo lo juntan? ¿Cómo hacen?
Ay, yo no sé, pero ellos son expertos haciendo. Ponen en los bowls, the hanger for the bowls. Yes. Look at mom. This way.
From Limit.
Yes.
It's not from here.
Before we use the local clay, but it's need more work. Yes, it's different. The quality, the color is different. Okay, here need the clay.
Okay.
See now they need the clay with water and the fine sand. After in that machine they flatten the clay. They make flat the clay and they make base.
Oh, yes, I think it's straight up.
He dry the piece about 6 or 7 days.
Okay.
Depends. If the piece is artistic, you can the artistic piece.
Okay.
Need more time.
Sure.
Yes.
Thicker.
2 weeks.
Okay.
7 weeks. Okay, this is the painting and design area. You can see here. Okay, we use the mineral oxide colors for paint for the sponge technique. You can see here the base is the sponge technique, and the design is brush technique. Okay, utilitarian pieces. This is utilitarian.
Okay.
Cup. Okay, glasses. Okay, this piece needs twice firing in the kiln. Yes, the first time is for the design, for the mold, and the second time is for the glass. $4,860.
So about $1,500.
Yeah.
Some of Seminario's newest work. There's your pay, Ruben.
Yes.
Okay, he's Mr. Pablo Seminario. Yeah.
Buenos días.
Welcome.
Thank you.
My name is Pablo Seminario, and what you are going to get to see here is a special experience that I have developed together with my wife. You are going to see different type of art expression in this workshop. In this area, this is the room where I do my own pieces, my artwork. And my work have different phases through the years because I've been in this work for more than 33 years and have different phases. So what are you having here in front of you is my latest work. At the beginning, years ago, at the beginning of the 80s, what I did, this type of architectural work, you know, with architecture, with detail of architecture. There are a few pieces, I did many, even some type of sculptures. later, when I found a little bit more about the ancient cultures, I started to work murals, big ones. These are models. So big ones. I did many of different, all different, with this type of fantasy of the ancient cultures and colors and everything. You're going to get to see some this type of work at the gallery. And now, what I am working in this type of art, this type of pieces. This is what I am doing now at this moment. This is what I am doing.
You've become maybe more abstract.
Yes,
Your work?
and more contemporary, I feel, because in 2007 a group of people from the Chicago Film Museum, do you come from the States?
Yes, Chicago, 3 hours east of Chicago.
Where are you from?
Indiana.
Indiana.
Yes.
Well, there is a big museum in Chicago, the Film Museum.
Yes, we love the film museum.
Well, no, I think in the States.
Uh,
They have more than 40 pieces. They have my whole trajectory as part of their collection.
Oh, cool.
They have I work a project with them in 2007. They told me that they have a collection of what they call contemporary native art. Of course, at that moment, I didn't knew that I was doing contemporary native art. Well, the influence of the ancient Peruvian culture was very obvious in my work, but I knew that I have a label. And at that moment, I started to think which one is going to be, what's going to be my next step. Because first was architecture, then the fantasy of the ancient cultures, and if I was going to stay there or take a step forward. So I begin to work more with sculptures, and I begin to do this type of pieces to inspire on spear points. They just become this type of pieces. And this is what I'm working now at this moment.
Whoa.
It's in modern art non-objective, meaning did you start with an idea of something? Like, was it a first cow with horns or not? Just
no. Now at the moment, I used to do it before.
just do it. Great.
I used to do it in 2007. I just wanted to do a meat, try to say something.
Yes.
But now, when the people from the Chicago Film Museum came and told me that I was doing contemporary native art, I started to wonder what I'm going to do next. So I say next, maybe the moment to just find out my own expression.
Yes.
What just come out, just free as all, free of everything,
Yes.
So I start to just, but the basic idea begins with spear point because of the shape.
Yes.
Because of the shape. The meaning, the shape, the tool that was thousands of years ago, because it was the first sophisticated tool that mankind did. So all that, the shape, the cut, the texture and everything, I begin to work, but that turned into this type of pieces. And now it's turning in this
Looks
type.
like city.
Yes, now
Yes.
because I was trained as an architect.
Yeah. Oh, architecture.
I was trained as an architect.
Figurative pieces.
So I am just doing this type of pieces. This is a piece that also part of the new work that I am doing, the way that I am painting too. This is one that I am just working at this moment. And you're working at this moment. And also in between I have some surrealist ideas or funny ideas, whatever. I get my architecture and I just...
Little legs, yeah, tails. Nice.
They're nice.
They are.
So this had to be painted, and had to be fired, it had to be finished. So in the gallery you're going to get to see utilitarian pieces, decorative pieces. Jewelry, benches, table. We begin with my wife alone, step by step, through the years. And we just, in this town, but there was nothing. And now we are more than 50 people. We have the big workshop. We have created a style and aesthetic. We are using the ancient techniques. Well, I hope you enjoy what you are going to see at the gallery today.
Yes. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Who recommended you to come here? Somebody?
Guidebooks
Guidebooks.
and our friend.
Yes.
You've done a good job of capturing Lima architecture texture. Lots of texture overlapping. You've done a good job of capturing Peruvian architecture. It's very unique. Beautiful. How is this painted?
The clay that I work, it has a type of orange color.
Okay.
You know, you see the big tile, they are orange. Is the orange color is because the clay has iron oxide. The iron oxide is what gives the color to the clay. So it comes from nature like this. In nature, there's a lot of iron oxide. You can see a red hills because it's a lot of iron oxide. So this clay comes with a lot of iron oxide, what is most in nature.
Yes.
So I am working with this clay. But you can find a clay that is more yellow, more white, more brown, more orange, even more red. And you just can paint on the pieces, like this one that I have to paint, and when I fire, the colors stay on the piece forever.
Yes.
So, but the blue, you cannot find a blue clay in nature. So what I do is I learn by my own experience, because I learn by myself to work clay. I just get a white clay, cobalt oxide, prepare a liquid, and I paint. In this case, the way that I paint, you can see I use an airbrush. But I use an airbrush before I fire. I paint it, and then I fire. Then I fire.
Good.
So this color will stay on the piece forever. Same this other. This is going to be painted like this. Like this, we are going to be painted. This one I have to finish. I just work. But my pieces, they are looking like more like a space times, you know, because this what I'm doing is space helmet.
I like your drawings.
Yes, I do
Yes.
some drawings on the stages before
Yes.
that.
Do you exhibit the drawings with the work sometimes?
No, because most of the work that I do, I sell it from here.
Yes.
I have done, well, the Field Museum have a whole collection of my work.
Yes.
The Smithsonian in Washington, they have one of my pieces also as part of their collection. I was invited by the Smithsonian in 2010 to give lectures and to talk about Peruvian ancient art. And well, I have done a show of Peruvian art at the United Nations in New York. I've been in Denver, I've been in Minneapolis, I've been in Florida, I've been in, well, and even in Europe, but small shows. I haven't got a big show of my work yet, because I sell almost everything from here.
That's good.
And at the moment I have other projects, so I have to work for those projects that I have to do. That is small museum, to do school. So I have to, and I have a lot of people that visit me all the time now. Well,
Beautiful. I like this work. I like the
I
drawing.
got to put some plastic not to dry, because here when it begins to dry,
Yeah.
I have to protect it. Protect it because I'm going to work it later. Later I'm going to be working on this. I just open it to dry a little bit, but it's drying enough. Then it gets too hard. And difficult work. Well, thank you very much
Thank
for
you.
coming.
I appreciate
I
it.
hope you enjoy what
Yes.
you're going to see.
Yes.
And